Perimeter. The distance around a closed figure is called its perimeter, or sum of the sides of a closed figure is called its perimeter. A farmer wishes to fence his field using wire. Can you tell how many meters of wire he should buy? To find the required length of the wire, he should find the perimeter of his field. So, he measured the sides of his field and added these lengths. Perimeter of the field is equal to length of its boundary, which is equal to 10 meters plus 12 meters plus 15 meters plus 4 meters. This is equal to 41 meters. Therefore, the farmer needed 41 meters of wire to fence his field. Unit of perimeter is same as the unit of length. So, perimeter is also measured in millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer, etc. Now, observe this shape. Let us find the perimeter of this shape. To do so, we just add the lengths of its sides. Perimeter of this shape is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FA, that is equal to 10 centimeters plus 6 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 7 centimeters plus 3 centimeters, which is equal to 35 centimeter. We can also use a graph paper or a square line paper to find the perimeter of a figure. In this graph paper, each side is of 1 centimeter. It is also called 1 centimeter of graph paper. Take any one square as shown here. Perimeter of this square is equal to 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter, which is equal to 4 centimeters. This is equal to 4 into 1 centimeter. Which is equal to 4 into length of the side. Therefore, perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. Observe this rectangle. Its length is 3 centimeters and breadth is 2 centimeters. Let us find the perimeter of this rectangle. Obviously, to do so, we add the lengths of the sides. So, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 3 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 2 centimeters, which is equal to 2 into 3 centimeters plus 2 into 2 centimeters, which is equal to 2 into 3 centimeters plus 2 centimeters, which is equal to 2 into L plus B, is equal to 2 into 5 centimeters, which is equal to 10 centimeters. Therefore, the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Another example. To find the perimeter of a rectangle with dimensions 1 meter and 80 centimeter, we first express 1 meter as 100 centimeters and then proceed further. So, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B, which is equal to 2 into 100 plus 80. 2 into 180, which is equal to 360 centimeters. Let us see few more examples. Here we have a square, each side measures 5 centimeters. we have to find its perimeter. That is the length of the boundary of a square. If the side is given, we can find the perimeter using the formula. Perimeter is equal to 4 multiplied with side. Here side is 5 centimeters. So perimeter is equal to 4 into 5 centimeters, which is equal to 20 centimeters. Now let us take an other example. Here we have a square with side 3 centimeters. Let us find perimeter. We know perimeter is equal to 4 into side, and here side is 3 centimeters. So perimeter is equal to 4 into 3 centimeters, which is equal to 12 centimeters. Let us move to another question. Here we have a square with perimeter 36 centimeters, and we have to find length of its side. We are given with the perimeter and we have to find its side. We know perimeter is 4 multiplied by side. Given the value of perimeter, we get 36 equals 4 multiplied by side. We have to solve this equation, or we can think like multiply 4 with which number equals 36. If we multiply 4 with 9, we get 36. So here side equals 9. So side of the square is 9 centimeters. We can also solve it the equation way. Keeping s on the right hand side, we can send 4 on the left hand side and change its sign like here. It's getting multiplied on left hand side, it will be divided. So side is equal to 36 divided by 4, which is equal to 9. Therefore side is equal to 9 centimeters. Finding perimeter of a rectangle. We know rectangle also like a square, but all sides are not equal. Its opposites are equal. Two of its opposite sides are smaller than other two sides. Finding perimeter of rectangle. Here we have length is equal to 7 centimeters and breadth is equal to 3 centimeters. Now let us find its perimeter. Formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times length plus breadth, that is 2 into L plus B. Substitute the values, we get 2 into 7 centimeters plus 3 centimeters, which is equal to 2 into 10 centimeters. Which is equal to 20 centimeters. Therefore, the perimeter of this rectangle is 20 centimeters. One more example. Here we have other rectangle. Length is 5 centimeters and breadth is 4 centimeters. Now we will find perimeter. We know that perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B, which is equal to 2 into 5 centimeters plus 4 centimeters. Perimeter is equal to 2 into 9 centimeters. Therefore, perimeter is equal to 2 9s 18 centimeters. Word problems. In his morning walk, Amar walked around a rectangular park of length 320 meters and breadth 210 meters. How much did he walk? We have to find out how much Amar walked in one round. Amar walked around the rectangular park. So he walked along the perimeter. That means we have to calculate the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to sum of all the sides, which is equal to 320 plus 210 plus 320 plus 210. So 2 into 320 plus 2 into 210, which is equal to 340 plus 420, which is equal to 1060 meters. Therefore, Amar walks 1060 meters around the park. Veena wants to fix a border on a quilt which is 2 meters long and 1 meter broad. Find the length of the border. The border is fitted along the edge of the quilt. The length of the border is equal to sum of edges of the quilt. Sum of the edges is equal to perimeter. So, we have to find the perimeter of rectangular quilt. That will be the length of the border. Perimeter is equal to sum of all the sides, which is equal to 2 into 2 meters plus 2 into 1 meter, which is equal to 4 meters plus 2 meters, which is equal to 6 meters. The edges of the quilt are 6 meters. That is how much border is needed. Therefore, Veena needs 6 meters border for the quilt. Next problem. The length and breadth of a rectangular field are 150 meters and 125 meters. What is the perimeter of the field? Perimeter is equal to sum of all the sides, which is equal to 150 plus 125 plus 150 plus 125, equal to 2 into 150 plus 2 into 125, which is equal to 300 plus 250, which is equal to 550 meters. Therefore, the perimeter of the field is 550 meters. Next problem. The floor of a room is in the form of a square of side 5 meters. Find its perimeter. Perimeter is equal to sum of all the sides. So, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, which is equal to 4 into side 4 into 5, which is equal to 20 meters. Therefore, the perimeter of the room is 20 meters. One more example. The side of a square field is 28 meters. It has to be fenced by 3 rounds of wire. How much wire will be needed? The field is in the shape of a square. The wire will go around the edge of the square. That is perimeter of the square. That is how much wire is needed in one round. For 3 rounds, we will need 3 times of this wire. So, we multiply the perimeter by 3. Perimeter is equal to sum of all the sides, which is equal to 28 meters plus 28 meters plus 28 meters plus 28 meters, which is equal to 4 into side, 4 into 28 meters, which is equal to 112 meters. That is 1 round of wire. We need 3 rounds of wire. 3 rounds of wire is equal to 112 meters into 3, which is equal to 336 meters. Therefore, 336 meters of wire will be needed for the field. One tricky question for you. For this question, we need to find out perimeter. We don't know all the sides. Let us highlight which we know with yellow color. Let us highlight unknown sides with green color. How can I figure out this green line here? But it is same as 2 meters. So we know that it starts and stops at same spot. So its value is 2 meters. How about this green line? This both starts here and ends here. So 4 meters. Now last line, this green line. How can we find? Yes, here 2 meters and 4 meters. What about this distance? Yes, 3 meters. So 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is equal to 9. Therefore, the length of this line is 9 meters. Now, perimeter of this figure is equal to sum of all sides. That is 4 meters, 9 meters, 4 meters, 3 meters, 2 meters, 2 meters, 2 meters. Therefore, perimeter is equal to 4 plus, go like clockwise direction, 9 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2, and count the sides also. We have 8 sides here. Now add all the sides, which is equal to 30 meters. Perimeter of any triangle is equal to sum of all sides, which is equal to 7 centimeters plus 9 centimeters plus 4 centimeters. Add up all the sides, we'll get 20 centimeters. One more example. Perimeter of this shape. So, perimeter of a triangle is equal to sum of all sides, which is equal to 7 centimeters plus 9 centimeters plus 8 centimeters, which is equal to 24 centimeters.